folks, Nick here from NZ Wood Turning. Just to let you know, I'm going to be at Woodworking Live in Kempton Park this October. So I hear it's a really great show. So if you're in the area, pop up and say hello.
Hi, I'm Craig from Record Power. Come down and see the Bandsaw Masterclass at the Woodworking Live Show, 6th-8th October at Kempton Park.
Hi, I'm David Lowe and I'm a registered professional wood turner. I'll be at the new record event, Woodworking Live 2017.
I'm Jim Overton. I've got a YouTube channel called Gibson Stuff. I'm going to be at Woodworking Live 2017 at Kempton Park. It promises to be a fantastic event, so I look forward to seeing you all there. Come and join us.